Take number 1. Friend Kyle is about to head down this hill. It's rainy. The bike's a bit messed up, but that's easy to fix. I mean, the wheels work, pedals work, one of the brakes work. We get massive speed coming down this hill, especially in this rain. Let's go sideways, that way we can have a better look. Here he comes. 3, 2, 1. Here he comes. Oh, fuck. Brightness. Gotta set the brightness to him, that way we can see him. Here we go. Freaking cars. Now he's got a pedal to build up more momentum. Pedal, dude, you'll get more momentum. Say cheese. Oh, that was fucking great.